All right, today we're going to show the 35 or the 600 pound Black Widow hitch with a KPX 250 bike on it. And this is a 3500. Now here you can see it strapped down. Now I'm going to shake it. Not bad. But then what I found is if I do this, I have a strap there, come into here, and I tighten this up. I don't get it super tight, just a snug. Now when we do it, really tightens it up. It's just a way to do this. Basically I'm coming around the frame here, going to my front hook. Now these hooks actually have a piece inside there. I don't know if you can see it. I can't really see what the frick this thing's looking at. This is a ram. Other ones you just may have to loop it around and then pull it back. And then I'm not, like I say, I'm not getting it real super tight, just snug. I might go one more there. See that? And that really pulls it. Now normally I'll have a piece of this down here, so I gotta loosen it up, but it's hard to keep all this crap together and try to video it. And this hooks to the front under here. So this is the, you know, Black Widow, good hitch. And I've got the anti-sways on it. And also there's another one, it's a locking pin. It screws in like you do for bike racks, and it really tightens it up. So, you know, you can see I get no up and down. I'm pushing that thing pretty hard. So considering, you know, this is a 300 pound bike. So considering how much it weighs on there, and I also put this in there, piece of 2x4 I V'd out to go up in the top there. So it pushes against the forks, so the forks don't get completely compressed. I need to actually make it just a little bit longer. This is probably about 10 inches longer. I need to be a little bit longer, but that helps to keep, you know, the front area here nice and secure. So when I you know, tighten it down, I'm pulling into the tire, not bouncing on the shocks. So there you have it. Just another good informative video for the KPX 250 on a 300 pound Black Widow hitch. This one's on the front of a 3500 Ram diesel. Enjoy.